In this product demo, you will see DataBridge for SuperOffice in action. DataBridge for SuperOffice is the most widely used integration platform for connecting enterprise applications on premises and into the cloud, all without custom coding. It features reading and writing to all standard SuperOffice data objects, including writing to SuperOffice service and integrating external documents. DataBridge comes with data transformations. Integrations can be scheduled or can be triggered based on SuperOffice changes or external events. It is a versatile platform to handle standard data formats used by many business applications, like accounting, finance, and ERP systems. Integrations are created by following a guided wizard. You start by creating a new profile. In the location drop-down, you select one of the available sources. In the destination drop-down, you select the target. In step 1 of the wizard, you configure the profile. Depending on the used source, a connection must be made. If applicable, you can select the data file. DataBridge can also handle multi-entity data files. A multi-entity file is, for example, a file that has information on the company, person, financial, and sales data, all on one row. Using multi-entity data files eliminates the need to create multiple profiles. The file I have selected has information on companies, persons, finance, and sales data. In step 2 of the wizard, you need to configure the source. Since I have selected an Excel sheet as my source, I can specify details of the sheet I'm using. In the preview overview, I see a few lines of the data file I want to process. However, I notice that certain columns do not match the data requirements of SuperOffice. For example, the category column does not match the SuperOffice category list. Also, the VAT column is not nicely formatted and contains unnecessary characters. The contact person name is not split into first name and last name, which is required for SuperOffice. And the sales information has no information on the responsible account manager. All these typical situations can be fixed by using data transformation or one of the settings you can use. So, in step 3 of the wizard, you set up the required transformations. There are many transformations available you can use to format your data. First, we need to handle the category column. Let's add a new map list transformation. Select the appropriate column. Specify the output column name. And select the correct SuperOffice drop-down list. Now we can map the source values between the SuperOffice values. Second, we want to clean the VAT number field, so a new transformation called clean field is added. And last, we need to split the column with the contact person into 2 separate fields. This can be achieved by using the split field transformation. Select the appropriate column. Specify the output column name, and select the correct segments. Repeat this step as well for the last name field. Now it's time to connect the source data to the right fields in SuperOffice. In step 4 of the wizard, you need to configure the fields. From the Entities section, you select the entity which gives you access to all the available fields. Remember the transformations we have set up. The VAT field is clean, so all spaces and punctuations are removed. The new category, first and last name fields we have created with the transformations, are also available. The first columns hold information regarding the company, so select the company entity and start typing the field name. Let's speed this up a little bit. Now we are at the persons column, so we select the person entity and start mapping these fields. We are going to do the same for the sales information. In step 5 of the wizard, you need to configure the destination. An important step is to set up the deduplication settings, making sure that no duplicate records will be created. Since we are integrating not only companies but persons and sales information as well, we also need to set the deduplication setting for all 3 entities. In the action drop-down, you can select which action needs to be taken when a duplicate record is found. It is possible to add all new or updated records into a SuperOffice selection to keep track of what has been added or updated in your SuperOffice environment. Remember? The dataset had no information regarding the owner of the sale. Situations like these can easily be fixed by using the advanced settings and choose the appropriate option. In step 6 of the wizard, you define the specific profile settings. You can indicate if the profile is started manually, scheduled to run on a certain date or time, or executed by a SuperOffice event or an external trigger. I'll set up a daily schedule. In the notification setting, you can indicate if you want to receive an email after a successful or failed execution. Step 7 shows you an overview of all the settings you have made. Now let's see the end result once the profile has been executed. Since I had indicated that new records should be added to a SuperOffice selection, DataBridge created a new selection. In this selection, I see the companies which have been added by the DataBridge profile. When I switch to one of the companies, I can see that all data has been added, and not only the standard address fields. Also, the financial information, ERP information, accountancy information, and the NPS score have been added to the more fields of the company card. The related contact person with all its details has been attached to the company. Since we also handled sales information, the related sale is also attached to the company card, with the right contact person and account manager. Alright, that's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you don't want to miss other videos from us, don't forget to click the subscribe button. In the description below, you will find additional information, including how to start your free trial. Thanks for watching, until next time.